Are you seeking peace and harmony in your home? A sanctuary where you can escape the chaos of the outside world and feel protected from negativity. What if I told you that achieving this sense of calm and protection is simpler than you think? In the heart of Buddhist teachings lies a profound secret, the power of sacred objects. These objects, imbued with ancient wisdom, have been used for centuries to protect homes, dispel negative energies, and invite tranquility into daily life. In today's video, we'll reveal the ancient practice of hanging a sacred object on your door, a simple yet powerful ritual that can transform your living space into a haven of peace and harmony. Here on Wisdom Diet, we delve deep into Buddhist teachings and mystical rituals, offering practical wisdom to help you live a more balanced and harmonious life. From time-honored traditions to modern spiritual practices, our goal is to empower you with tools that bring peace, protection, and positivity into your daily routine. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of ancient Buddhist wisdom and bring a sense of calm to your home, stay tuned. This sacred object might just be the key to achieving the peace you've been searching for. Let's dive in. Peace and harmony are at the very heart of Buddhist philosophy. In Buddhism, the ultimate goal is to attain inner peace, a state where the mind is free from the turbulence of desires, fears, and attachments. But this peace isn't just personal, it radiates outward, shaping the world around us. The Buddha taught that a harmonious life begins with a harmonious mind, and from there it extends into our homes, our communities, and beyond. Our homes, in particular, hold great importance. They are more than just physical spaces, they are sanctuaries. In Buddhist teachings, the home is seen as an extension of the self, a reflection of our inner state. When a home is filled with peace and balance, it nurtures those who live within it, fostering calmness, protection, and spiritual growth. But how do we create such a sanctuary? One way is through the use of sacred objects. In Buddhist culture, these objects are not merely decorative, they hold profound spiritual significance. They serve as physical manifestations of protective energies, reminders of the teachings, and anchors for mindfulness and meditation. Take, for example, the simple act of hanging a sacred object on your door. It may seem small, but in Buddhist practice, this ritual carries deep meaning. The door is the threshold of your home, the point where the outside world meets your inner sanctuary. By placing a sacred object here, you're symbolically protecting your home from negative influences while inviting in positive energy, peace, and harmony. These objects are often blessed during rituals or imbued with powerful mantras, enhancing their ability to protect and harmonize. Whether it's a wind chime tuned to specific frequencies, a mandala designed to focus energy, or a simple string of prayer beads, each item serves as a spiritual tool, constantly working to maintain balance within your home. By incorporating these sacred objects into your living space, you create an environment that supports mindfulness, reduces stress, and encourages positive interactions. They remind you daily of the Buddhist principles of compassion, gratitude, and awareness, helping you to align your actions and thoughts with these values. Ultimately, the practice of fostering peace and harmony in your home is a reflection of a deeper spiritual journey. It is a way to bring the wisdom of Buddhism into your everyday life, transforming your home into a sanctuary of calm, protection, and spiritual growth. And now, let's explore the sacred object itself and how you can use it to invite these powerful energies into your home. In many Buddhist traditions, the entrance to your home is more than just a physical threshold, it's a spiritual boundary. It marks the space where the energy of the outside world meets the sanctuary of your inner world. To safeguard this sacred threshold, Buddhists have long used specific objects imbued with spiritual significance. Today we'll be focusing on one such object, the wind chime. Wind chimes, known for their soft melodic sounds, are more than decorative pieces. In Buddhist culture, they carry profound spiritual meaning. Their gentle tones are believed to purify the energy around them, creating a barrier that wards off negative forces while inviting positive vibrations into your home. Every time the wind stirs the chimes, it's a reminder of the ever-present flow of life and the interconnectedness of all things. The origins of wind chimes trace back thousands of years. They were first used in ancient temples and monasteries to enhance the spiritual atmosphere. Monks would hang chimes at temple entrances, believing that their sound could dispel malevolent spirits and protect sacred spaces. Over time, this practice extended to homes, with families embracing wind chimes as symbols of peace, protection, and harmony. Another powerful object often used is the mandala. A mandala is more than just a beautiful design, it's a visual representation of the universe, symbolizing the journey towards spiritual enlightenment. When hung on a door, it serves as a spiritual compass, aligning your home's energy with the principles of balance and unity. In Buddhist culture, the mandala reminds us of the cyclical nature of life and the path to awakening. There's a well-known Buddhist tale about a small village that was constantly plagued by misfortune. The villagers sought help from a wandering monk, who advised them to hang wind chimes and mandalas at their doorways. Over time, the village experienced a remarkable transformation. The soothing sounds of the chimes calmed their minds, while the mandalas reminded them of the teachings of balance and compassion. Their once chaotic lives became peaceful, and the village flourished. Sacred objects like these are not just relics of the past, they are living tools for spiritual growth. By incorporating them into your home, you're not only protecting your space but also inviting mindfulness into your daily life. Every time you hear the chime or see the mandala, you're reminded of your connection to the greater universe and the importance of cultivating peace within and around you. Whether it's a wind chime, a mandala, or even a simple string of prayer beads, each sacred object carries with it centuries of spiritual wisdom. They are more than physical items, they are companions on your journey to inner peace, guardians of your sanctuary, and constant reminders of the Buddhist path. Now that we've explored the sacred object's origins and significance, let's delve into how it works to bring protection and harmony to your home. In Buddhist teachings, everything in the universe is interconnected through energy fields. These energy fields can either promote peace and balance or contribute to discord and negativity. The sacred object acts as a spiritual filter, harmonizing the energy that flows through your home. Take the wind chime, for instance. Its gentle, melodic tones are believed to cleanse the surrounding energy. Each chime resonates at a specific frequency, aligning with the natural vibrations of peace and harmony. As the wind moves through the chimes, it disperses stagnant or negative energy, transforming it into positive vibrations that flow through your home. Similarly, a mandala placed on your door creates a symbolic boundary. It acts as a spiritual guardian, warding off harmful influences before they can enter. Its intricate patterns serve as a focal point for meditation and mindfulness, grounding the home in balance and unity. The mandala's presence reminds us of the interconnected nature of existence and the importance of maintaining harmony in our surroundings. The protective and harmonizing power of these objects is not just mystical, it has practical benefits as well. By fostering a calm and balanced environment, they promote mindfulness and reduce household tension. Imagine coming home after a stressful day and being greeted by the soothing sounds of a wind chime or the calming sight of a mandala. These small, yet powerful experiences can help center your mind, allowing you to let go of stress and cultivate a sense of peace. Buddhist scriptures provide insight into the power of sacred objects. In the Dhammapada it is said, "Better than 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace." These sacred objects embody that wisdom, serving as silent yet powerful tools that continuously speak peace into your life, without a single word. By incorporating these objects into your home, you're not just protecting your physical space, you're cultivating a sanctuary for the mind and spirit. They help shift the energy within your home, fostering an environment where mindfulness thrives and relationships flourish. Over time, you'll notice a ripple effect, greater harmony within your household, and a deeper sense of connection with the world around you. In essence, these sacred objects act as guardians of peace, constantly working in the background to maintain a harmonious flow of energy. Whether it's their ability to ward off negativity, foster mindfulness, or simply bring a sense of calm through their presence, their impact is both profound and enduring. Now that you understand the significance of the sacred object, it's time to activate its full potential by hanging it in the right place and with the proper intention. This simple ritual will ensure that your home is surrounded by protective and harmonious energy. First, select the location. The most powerful spot to hang your sacred object is above the main entrance to your home. This is the gateway through which all energy flows, and by placing the object here, you create a symbolic shield that protects everyone who enters. It also serves as a reminder to leave negativity outside and welcome only peace and positivity into your space. Here's how to hang it. 1. Ensure the area above the door is clean and clear. 2. Use a secure hook or nail to hold the object firmly in place. 3. Position it so that it's visible but unobtrusive, allowing it to work its magic without interfering with daily activities. If you live in an apartment or have limited space, don't worry. The same principles apply. You can hang the sacred object inside your home, just above the interior side of the main entrance. This will still protect your space and maintain the flow of positive energy. Alternatively, if you have a garden or balcony, hanging the object at these secondary entrances can also enhance the protective and harmonious energy flowing into your home. Now, let's add a spiritual layer to this process. Before hanging the object, take a moment to set your intention. Hold the object in your hands, close your eyes, and focus on your purpose: protection, peace, or harmony. You may choose to recite a mantra to bless the object and amplify its power. One of the most commonly used mantras in Buddhism is the Om Mani Padme Hum. This mantra invokes the blessings of compassion and wisdom. Repeat it softly as you hang the object, either aloud or in your mind. Om Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum. As you hang the sacred object, visualize a protective light surrounding your home, sealing it with peace and harmony. Imagine this light extending to everyone who enters, filling them with calm and positive energy. Once the object is in place, take a step back and appreciate its presence. This small yet powerful addition to your home will now work continuously to safeguard your space and nurture a peaceful atmosphere. Remember, every home is unique, and so is every sacred object. You can personalize this ritual to suit your living situation. Whether it's a wind chime, a mandala, or prayer beads, the most important aspect is the intention and care you put into the process. With your sacred object now in place, you've taken a significant step toward creating a sanctuary of peace and protection in your home. Let its presence be a daily reminder of the harmony you seek and the spiritual journey you're on. Throughout history, countless individuals have embraced the power of sacred objects to transform their homes and lives. Their stories offer a glimpse into the profound impact these simple items can have. Take, for example, Mei Ling, a mother of two from Taiwan. She writes, "I was skeptical at first, but after hanging a wind chime above our front door, the energy in our home shifted. The constant bickering between my children eased, and the atmosphere became noticeably calmer. It's as if the gentle chimes remind us to pause and breathe." Similarly, Ravi, a spiritual practitioner from India, shares this experience. "After placing a mandala on my door, I felt a renewed sense of focus and clarity. It wasn't just the home that changed, it was me. The mandala became a daily reminder to align my thoughts with peace and purpose." Even spiritual leaders attest to the power of these objects. Lama Tenzing, a Buddhist teacher, explains sacred objects like wind chimes and mandalas are not merely symbols, they are active participants in the spiritual life of a home. They guide the energy, protect the space, and remind us of the interconnectedness of all beings. For many, these objects become an integral part of their daily routines. Sarah, a follower of Buddhist teachings from Australia, describes her experience. "I hung prayer beads on my front door, and every time I pass by, I'm reminded to stay grounded. Over time, I've noticed a greater sense of peace within my family. It's like the beads silently echo the mantras we've recited together." These testimonials remind us that sacred objects are more than physical items, they are bridges between the spiritual and the everyday. Whether it's calming household tensions, fostering mindfulness, or simply creating a protective sanctuary, their impact is deeply personal and universally transformative. So, if you're still wondering whether a simple object can truly make a difference, remember these stories. Each one is a testament to the timeless wisdom of Buddhist practices and the incredible power of intention. While the spiritual benefits of sacred objects are profound, their impact extends far beyond the metaphysical. These objects also play a practical role in enhancing overall well-being, offering tangible improvements to daily life. Take, for example, the effect on anxiety. The soothing presence of a wind chime or the intricate design of a mandala can create a calming atmosphere, helping to ease the mind. The gentle sounds or visual patterns serve as subtle reminders to slow down and be present, reducing the stress and tension that often accompany a busy lifestyle. Another key benefit is improved focus. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to become distracted and overwhelmed. The sacred objects help ground your environment, promoting mental clarity. Many people find that having a mandala or prayer beads in their workspace encourages mindfulness, allowing them to concentrate better and be more productive. These objects also foster stronger family connections. By cultivating a peaceful home environment, they encourage open communication and reduce conflict. Families often report feeling more united as the harmonious energy flows through their space, creating a nurturing atmosphere for everyone. Ultimately, the benefits of these sacred objects go beyond spiritual practice. They help create a home that nurtures both the body and mind, a place where you can find balance, focus, and connection. Whether you seek tranquility, productivity, or closer relationships, these simple yet powerful items offer a path to a more harmonious life. So by embracing these sacred objects, you're not only inviting spiritual growth but also improving the everyday quality of life for yourself and your loved ones. As we've explored, sacred objects like wind chimes, mandalas, and prayer beads carry profound spiritual significance. They not only protect your home and invite harmony, but also offer practical benefits, helping to reduce anxiety, improve focus, and foster stronger connections with your loved ones. By hanging one of these objects on your door, you're creating a sanctuary of peace and positivity. So why not take this simple yet powerful step today? Hang a sacred object on your door and witness the transformation in your home's energy. Whether you're seeking protection, harmony, or mindfulness, this ancient Buddhist ritual can bring profound change to your daily life. We'd love to hear your stories. Have you already incorporated a sacred object into your home? Or are you inspired to try it for the first time? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let us know how it's bringing peace and harmony to your life. Here on Wisdom Diet, we're committed to sharing the timeless wisdom of Buddhist teachings and rituals to help you lead a more balanced, mindful life. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll dive deeper into other transformative practices and spiritual insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from these teachings. Your support helps us continue to bring you meaningful content. Until next time, may your home be filled with peace, protection, and harmony.